Ein cóinní lách a bhí fhaighinn cúlanan. A cha mí cúteach go géirí dúnsacha an tuileag ma dhéon coin a féimach dachaigh an úra. Ha na míltin chun an an ALBA a féimach dachaigh úr. Bhar a tois bhuichinn garit gur suas rí carstil uiar a bharach a tían go chairman chun na bhar roia. Sé opar mhór a hain ga caranasan a bheits a dénag an díchal dachan an úra a lorach, ga coin a chai an díbrug.
Ha mi an seo ag cúman albanach son dían na nanabhíon an sireach launrach, agus ha mi seo agus canneach ag rí afach bíc eile a ha sireach dachaigh úr. Héir a bhí seo son úne mhóranist. Hú cinn agus canneach sin rí Gazza?
Han tarsneach teichbhíoichin Janet Kirkpatrick son níos agam dhéon Gazza a ha nui bliana gúis.
Hat ma hort go áte bíc bítach agus seo far bhfuil me dul a channeach ris, agus seo bheits a tachart na bit héin a sin sias gus canneach rí cú son dachaigh úr a thors ga. Cears ma ha, seo at na tían?
Here's a good boy. Good boy. Hey, come on then.
Hey, snock na hill. Hello. Hi, Janet.
Hiya.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Is this Gazza?
This is our Gazza.
Oh, he's awful.
He knows I've got special treats, that's why he's decent, so I'll give you some.
He knows where his bread's buttered. Sure, Gazza. Here, so, sit, sweet. Good boy. Oh, we're pals now, aren't we? Yeah. Oh, he's lovely, isn't he? Now, see while we're here, do you think we could play with him with some of these toys?
Right, wait a minute, I'll take the lead off.
Hey.
Yeah, I'm going to be running about. Auntie Janet, yes.
Gazza. Gazza, sure.
Good lad.
Oh. Hey, ready, go.
Ha ma bhí le Gazza rí chemical. Ha tars coram gása, nio duine sa bhéile, a bhí feichinn déis ar sa persintach go heice.
So I'm going for a sniff.
Oh, he peed on it.
Right,
As dé gag ná a chi dhéanú.
I'm not touching those toys anymore.
Ha Staffies a meist na coin na stríche a bheits gon dachaigh. Stacha scascail clúach go nach de choisingad son a bhí dúnsaíach. Sin bech go héic mór an mú afach harabh Staffordshire, ach fearnach il idir fír me dhéon Gazza.
he's so gentle.
Tell me a wee bit about Gazza's backstory.
He was abandoned in a house with 2 other dogs.
Oh, nach do a snock. Oh, he's just lovely, isn't he? My brother's got a Staffie, and they're just the nicest dogs ever. How long's he been here with you?
286 days, unfortunately.
Oh, he's done his time, hasn't he?
He's done his time. So he deserves a good loving home, you know, because he is 9 years old.
Hí mi go lág sa ha Gazza.
You're a wee monkey.
Ach seach go ríc Staffie ús suas go céirplan díag, ma dhéibh dheochúram, ha bethe fata ro Gazza.
His ears are really erect,
Oh,
aren't
they're
they?
lovely, aren't they?
Aren't they? If I was going to meet him for the first time, and you were going to check if we were a match, talk me through the process.
You put your details online.
Yeah.
So our rehoming team have seen, oh, such and such likes Gazza, right. So they would give you a wee call and say, you've expressed an interest in Gazza. That's fine. What I'm going to do is tell you a wee bit about him, and then we would send you through the vet report. Then we would do a WhatsApp video call, or you can send in a video of the house and the garden where the dog's got to be. Then we invite you to come down and see him. If there's a dog that's a wee bit anxious, it can be 3-4 visits. It's a minimum of 2 visits. Usually in the second visit, the people are happy and then they're adopted.
Oh, fantastic.
Gan nech san bí a han bech dachaigh a hort de cù-teasairginn Leis Gazza ha brút a naun a tséitamach.
He knows where the good stuff is, doesn't he?
Don't you, darling? Yes, you do.
Get a ha Gazza salt, caltach rís a hula cù-teasairginn eile ha féimach 3 rútan. Áte sábhailte ga héin, lepi glán jo súvi, cúnevolach, bíothag agus cuairstin manú nuair ga chlá. Agus feirginn, seach gur cú innevacha han an Gazza nach ra dún an cíndeach gan búringa erapsa a chur an dúne, fé mi fissa vieke go bhfuil grágir get a dhéanage merach in a camanan.
Good luck. I hope it all pans out.